I made over $5,000 in a week from my bed using this weird side hustle, and no, it's not dropshipping. You've probably heard of freelancing, reselling, or affiliate links. Forget that. This one is so under the radar that even your favorite gurus aren't talking about it. It's called digital microassets, tiny, info-packed ebooks, Notion templates, or AI tools you sell on autopilot. I used ChatGPT to build one in a day, slapped it on Gumroad, and boom, sales rolling in while I slept. This is not saturated yet. You only need one viral idea to pop off. Think, Notion planner for lazy entrepreneurs or AI scripts for broke freelancers. The demand is insane and you don't even need to show your face. If you're not doing this in 2025, you're leaving money on the table. Like this video, save it, and I'll drop a step-by-step breakdown in the next one. Go make your first $1,000, fast.